Welcome to Create Your Own Leprechaun Traps. Well, certainly this time of year we get quite excited about seeing everything green and lucky leprechauns, rainbows, and of course a pot of gold. And they say at the end of every rainbow is a pot of gold. Well, let's see what we can come up with. You can use all sorts of things. Just be creative. Perhaps an empty tissue box can have a nice little drop down to capture your leprechaun. Or maybe pull out your Legos. Really, anything shiny and bright colored will do the trick for building your leprechaun trap. Thing is you want that leprechaun to get kind of suckered into finding that gold, and then you trap them. Here, let's try Legos. And you'll see I was able to build a little setup with a little car that drives my little lucky leprechaun. As you can see, I kind of made believe a little Lego piece with a top hat was my leprechaun. For my test, of course. And I had my little lucky leprechaun going up the Lego stairs. Again, using bright colors in your imagination, there's endless possibilities on how to trap that leprechaun so that you can get the pot of gold. Leprechauns are quite quick too, so you have to make sure you're ready to capture them. It was a lot of fun to use my imagination. I pretended that there was gold at the top of that arch and anything shiny, and I had a magic fairy there ready to help. Oops! Was there a trap door under there? Lucky thought he was getting some treats, but actually fell in, and now I can capture the gold. How about a tissue box? I used some straws and pipe cleaners to make a little ladder. Ooh, what will you design?
Oh, look at me, look at that. A shamrock made of gold. I'll just come in here and take it. Oh, no.
So, however you design, be sure to share it with us with a picture. Tag us at Manlius Library at the Instagram page. Or send me an email. And speaking about leprechauns, how about checking out one of these books to get ready for leprechaun fun and St. Patrick's Day. You can get these books and more at the Manlius Library.